Hi viewers, today I'm here with something very different and very promising. This type of questions are generally asked in competitive examinations like CAT, NTSC, etc. So generally we get stuck into this type of questions. To find the last digit of a power. Say for example, find the last digit of a power 1, 2, 3, 4 to the power 251. So the last digit will be 4. One more. 117 to the power 51. So the last digit will be 3. So in few seconds, you can find the last digit if you follow the pattern of induction. So that is what we are going to learn in this video. Come, let us do. A common way to attack this type of question is to just list out the initial expansions to determine a pattern. Let us understand the pattern here. First, let us take the last digit of powers. So why do we take last digit of powers? In order to find the last digit of the solution, we just have to concentrate only on the last digit of powers. How big the number is. Say the last digit of power is 1. So the last digit of solution will always be 1. Anything to the power 1 is 1. Okay. If the last digit of power is 2. So 2, you have the periodic sequence of, it repeats in a cycle, periodic sequence of period 4. 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. Which is nothing but 2, 4, 8 and 6. So after 2, 4, 8, 6, it will again repeat 2, 4, 8, 6. So it keeps repeating in a cycle. Right? Okay. 3 again repeats in a cycle of 3, 9, 7, 1. 3 to the power 1 is 3. 3 to the power 2 is 9. 3 to the power 3 is 27. So the last digit is 7. 3 to the power 4 is 81. So the last digit is 1. Yeah, so if you remember the cycle, you can easily find the last digit. Okay, next 4. 4 repeats in a period of 2. So 4 to the power 1, 4 to the power 2, which is 4 and 6. Again 4 and 6. It keeps repeating in a cycle. 5. 5 remains 5. 6 remains 6. 7 again in a cycle of 7, 9, 3, 1. Means 7 to the power 1 is 7. 7 to the power 2 is 49. So 9 is taken. 7 to the power 3, which is 343. So 3 is the last digit. And 7 to the power 4, it is 2401, which is 1. Right? So in this way, we are going to understand this pattern. Okay. 8 again. 8, 4, 2, 6. 8 to the power 1, 8. 8 to the power 2, 64. So 4. 8 to the power 3, 5, 1, 2. That is 2. And then 8 to the power 4, 6 is the last. Right? So 9, you have 9 as 9 to the power 1 and 9 to the power 2. That is, it repeats in a period of 2. That is 9 and 1. It keeps repeating 9 and 1. 9, 1, 9, 1. Like that. So if you remember these period and the pattern, you can easily find the last digit of the solution. Yeah. Let us do some questions based on this. Find the last digit of the given powers. First question given is 4 to the power 219. Okay. 4 gives us the pattern of 4 and 6. 4 to the power 1 is 4. And 4 to the power 2 is 6. Yes. So the odd powers gives you 4. 4 to the power, if you have odd powers, it gives you 4. And the even powers will give you 6. Right? So the last digit will be. Now, next. 793 to the power 54. First, let us take the pattern of 3. 3 gives you pattern of 3971. 3 to the power 1, 3. 3 to the power 2, 9. 3 to the power 3, 27, that is 7. 3 to the power 4, that is 1. 81, 1. Okay. So now, let us, so this is a period of 4, right? So whatever power you have, divide it with 4. So you'll get 13 as the quotient and 2 as the remainder. So the quotient will get nullified and only the remainder will be taken into consideration. So you can just write this as 3 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 2 is 9. So what will be the last digit here? The last digit here will be 9. Isn't it simple? Okay. Next. Say 449 to the power 32. So now we'll have to check what is the pattern of 9. So as I told you, only the last digit will be taken. So just consider the last digit of the power to find the last digit of the solution. Okay. So 9 gives you the pattern of 9 and 1. Again, the same pattern as in 4. Even powers will give you 9. Odd powers will give you 9. Even powers will give you 1. So here the power is even. So the last digit will be 1. Very simple. Since the power is even, so the last digit will be 1. Yes. Is that clear? One more set of questions are there. Find the last digit of the given powers. We'll do it faster since you know everything. Last digit is 2. The pattern of 2 is 2, 4, 8 and 6. And we'll divide 129 by 4. The quotient is 32 and the remainder is 1. The quotient will be nullified and the remainder will be taken. So it is, so the last digit is 2 to the power 1. That is, yes. Okay. Next. 7 is the last digit. 7 to the power 74. 7 ka pattern 7931. Okay. And divide 74 by 4. You'll get 18 as the quotient. Yeah. And 2 as the remainder. The 7 squared is 49. So 9 is the last digit. So the last digit is 9. Okay. Next is 8. 8 to the power 47. I'm not bothered about other numbers. Just the last digit. The pattern of 8 is 8426. Divide 47 by 4. Quotient is 11. And the remainder is 3. Yeah. So 8 cube is 512. And 2 is the last digit. Hope it's very clear. Enjoy doing this type of questions. So far we have seen the last digit. Now in the next video, I'm going to tell you about how to find the last 2 digits of a power. And it will be much more interesting. So stay tuned for my next video. Until then, bye.